What a go on my YouTube family. Today I'm bringing you another toy that we made when we was growing up in Jamaica. And truthfully, I don't even know the real name of the toy. Some people call it a zinger. But we'll make it out of the top of the can. You know, you cut off the top of the can, we can use this. And also the buckle stopper from the top of the soda bottle. So all you need is either this or this piece of string, a nail, and a hammer. With the hammer is for you to nail 2 holes through this. You have to put 1, 2 holes, and also you use the hammer to flatten out this. Well, we'll carry it outside before I mash up my countertop. So let's go outside and flatten out this and bore the 2 holes them in them with the nail, and then we'll come back inside. See? And you can use a drill to make it easier with a small bit, but I prefer to do it the traditional way. Even though it's a little bit more work, I'd rather do it the traditional way. See that? 2 holes in it. Okay, YouTube, we are back inside. Time to string it up and see how it works. Let's do it. Alright, test time. And it runs nice and smooth, real nice and smooth. Yeah man, the thing worked perfect, see? So, do me a favor people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel, see? Don't forget to turn on your notifications so you will be notified of new uploads, which I will be doing every other day. Yeah man, them toys that will grow up on, see? Work perfect. Who want to test me? Any boy want to test me? Come test me. Who can cut me away? Me can cut you away. Remember this? Remember that? Play cut way? Alright. Alright my people. That's another episode of Red Boy TV. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. See? Turn on your post notification so you will be notified of new videos upload. So until the next video, peace out. The next video I do, we're gonna catch a bird Jamaican style, see? Set a bird trap. So make sure you tune in for that one day. Look more.